It is November 15th, 2018. So Michael Olsuk at WIKISPEED Saskatoon shop. Not a lot to report, but I will start off. I estimated that I guess what I got done last week. I should do it in the right order. I'm still avoiding cleaning up my garage, which is my top and only priority, but I did get my Leaf battery pack, which weighs 400 pounds, on a rolling rack. I am sorting through electrical connectors, cable, wiring, straps, recycled contactors, breakers. It's in progress, but I should be done by Friday. I'm going to give that a medium of 2, and piles are separated into the stuff that I need weekly, which will be on shelving that is about waist height. Something I need this year which will be stored on the floor or higher up, and stuff that I will go and look for and see if I ever need. That's going to be stored in sheds that are not my garage, basically long-term storage. I don't have a demo, just the stand-up was recorded last week and posted, and it will be recorded this week and posted. For next week, I'm going to hopefully finish my sorting, which is medium, and get all the containers of stuff out of my garage so it's clean enough to move around in. That's actually an extra large of 5. Estimated I could get 4 done last week. I got 3, plus my recording of the stand-up and posting it gives me 8.5 out of 10. Team, I'm going to give 2 because it's just me on stand-up. Our velocity hopefully has hit rock bottom. And process improvement, should we continue with the weekly stand-up if no one is interested? I will see if we get any responses to that. And that's about it for the week. There is no crosstalk because it's just me.